Look around. Feel that crushing weight? The endless struggle to break through capital walls built by insiders, gatekeepers, and old-school rules that choke innovation and suffocate opportunity. Founders, investors, leaders, you've been trapped in a game rigged to keep you small, frustrated by the lack of access, endless paperwork, and the dead weight of outdated institutions. You pour sweat and soul into your ventures, yet the money you need, the fuel of true growth, remains just out of reach. In a world shouting freedom, you're stuck, bound tight by legacy systems that value conformity over vision. That anger you feel? It's real. It's justified. Because the system isn't broken, it's designed to exclude. But this is exactly why private credit crowdfunding isn't just an option. It's a revolution waiting to explode in your hands. Forget what you've been told. Private credit crowdfunding shatters the tyranny of traditional capital by flipping the whole system upside down. Imagine bypassing banks that drag you through hell, skipping the endless red tape, and unlocking access to a network of everyday investors hungry for real impact and real returns. This isn't charity or hype. It's raw, liquid capital fueled by individuals who believe in what you build. But it's not just about tapping new money. It's about reclaiming control, rewriting the rules where trust is earned, agility matters, and your vision commands the capital it deserves. Here's the brutal truth. If you wait for the old guard to open their gates, you'll waste years in frustration, watching others seize the future. Instead, demand access to platforms where credit is pooled from those who want a piece of real innovation, not just the safe bets. Private credit crowdfunding breaks the chains by decentralizing power. Less bureaucracy, more speed, direct relationships. You get flexible terms tailored for founders, risk-taking investors who understand the grind, and a vibrant market built to thrive on diversity and merit, not legacy. This is where the quiet warriors who refuse to settle connect, fund, and explode growth. This is a call to action. Stop playing by broken rules. Start scouting for private credit crowdfunding channels that align with your mission. Platforms where you are not just a borrower, but a partner in a vast ecosystem pushing boundaries. Harness community dynamics. Build trust openly. Deliver transparency ruthlessly. And cultivate investors who don't just back your venture, but champion it. Use these tools obsessively. Vet syndicates carefully. Leverage cross-sector networks. Seek not just capital, but smart capital that opens doors and scales impact. Don't be passive. Hunt down every new platform, every alternative lender, every emerging vehicle that democratizes credit and fuels the impossible. Understand this: the future of capital isn't exclusive capital, it's connected capital. It's a movement where founders and investors become one force, unshackled by archaic systems and driven by fierce alignment and shared ambition. This isn't a trend. It's a seismic shift, a power reclamation for those who dare to build beyond borders and old rules. Capital must flow to the few who prove they can transcend limitations, not to the many bound by comfort and legacy. Private credit crowdfunding is the weapon that slices through the illusion of scarcity, restoring freedom and power to those who create, lead, and disrupt. The question is not if, but how fast can you harness this? How hungry are you to break out of the cage of maybe someday and claim your share of unleashed capital? This is your moment to ignite unprecedented growth, forge brutal new alliances, and demolish whatever stands between bold vision and unstoppable reality. Act now, seek relentlessly. Connect fiercely, fund wisely, because while the world clings to old illusions, you hold the key to a capitalism transformed, not for the status quo, but for the impossible made real. This is where freedom lives. This is where true power begins.